Happy Friday, my crafters. Welcome back to another episode of My Crafty Garage with me, Tanya. Last week we celebrated my little brother's 40th birthday, and the whole week I was wondering how could I make this special since we can't do it up like we usually do because of all this social distancing that's happening right now. So I decided to go to Dollar Tree, buy myself some foam board, and make a huge happy 40th sign for him, decorate it with balloons, and make this day as special as possible. So without further ado, let's get this sign started. Okay, so to start off, you want to measure 3 inches from the top and 3 inches from the bottom when making your sign. It really depends on how big you want the lettering. I put 2 letters on one board, and again, 3 inches from the bottom and 3 inches from the top. And then the type of lettering you want to do is up to you. You can use a stencil or you can freehand it like I did here. And then once you've done all that, you can go ahead with your X-Acto knife and start tracing out and cutting out your letters. Okay guys, so once all your letters are cut out, it's time to paint your sign. You can do any color you'd like. It's totally up to you. I did try to use spray paint, but that I found did not work because the foam board does have a layer of paper, and what ends up happening is the spray paint, because it's so liquidy and water based like, it lifts the paper from the foam board. So that just didn't work for me. So I ended up hand painting these with some gold acrylic paint. Like I said, you can paint it any color you'd like. It's up to you. And this is what you should have once everything is painted. Once your paint is dry, you want to lay everything out. And I used some floral wire to put this up, so I just glued it to the back of the letters. Then I tied them to some wood paneling, decorated some balloons, put it up, and this is what we got. Alright crafters, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out.